Welcome back everyone to our second session. In this second session, I am going to be teaching you guys about our Grammar Galaxy 2. Okay everyone, so in this video, we are going to do the link and review from Unit 4 and Unit 5. Okay everyone, so now we're gonna start with our Unit 4. So what did you study so far from our Unit 4 everyone? Yes, do you remember? Very good. So it is about the verb be, right? So we divide the verb be into the simple present and also use with the simple past, right? But how to use the verb be? So the reason that we can use the verb be is we use it to say who, what, how, and where a person or thing is. So we have am, is, and are. So am, is, and are is the form of the simple present, okay? Right, so this is the usage of our verb be in a simple present. But what about the simple past, everyone? Okay, so for the simple past, the form we have only two, was and were. That's good. Okay, so the usage of the verb be in the simple past are the same, right? Okay, so as what you can see here is also we are going to talk about the simple present. So we have recently learned about the simple present. Okay, so why do we use the simple present? So we use the simple present to talk about something facts and people's habit and also about the routines. Okay, when you talk about your routine, don't forget to use the simple present. Okay, right, so we also divide into three forms. So the forms of the simple present are positive form, negative form, and question form, right? Okay, so for our positive form, remember we always have subject plus verb and plus the object, right? Okay, so this is about the positive form in our simple present. But remember, we also need to think about the third person singular subject, right? So what are the third person singular subject? So we have he, she, or, and it, right? Okay, so three of them are what we call the third person singular subject. Okay, so whenever you use with a third person singular subject, remember the verb you need to change, you need to add like s, es, or ies, okay? But for many verbs like do, like go, so they are the what we call irregular verb, right? Okay, so I believe that you still remember what I have taught you so far, right? Okay, excellent everyone. So next is about our negative form. So in our negative form is we just need the auxiliary verb in order to make the negative form, right? And one more thing is really important, the word not, right? Like subject plus do or does plus not plus verb and plus the object. Okay, so our question form, everyone. So the question form, we need to put the auxiliary verb in front of the sentence. Okay, we're gonna begin with do or does plus subject plus verb plus the object, and don't forget the question mark. Okay, one thing that I want to tell you is when you use it with do, you need to use with the subject I, you, we, they, right? So for does, you need to use it with the third person singular subject such as he, she, and it, right? Okay, I believe that you can remember it and do our exercise practice. Okay, so now let's go to our exercise practice. So this exercise practice is about link and review from our Unit 4 and Unit 5. Okay, it is about circle and write by using the action from the box. So how many actions do we have? So we have ride my bike, watch movies, play sports, read books, play games online. Okay, these are the actions that you're gonna complete with our blank. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want. That's good. Okay, so now let's see our exercise together. Number one, question: are you busy this day? Are you busy this day? So it is using with our verb be in the simple present, right? Are you busy this day? So the way that you answer or reply back to this kind of question with yes or no question, right? Okay, like yes or no, I want. Yes, yes I do. Or yes I am. Okay, so make your decision by doing this exercise. Okay, so you have to make sure that you use the correct grammar. Okay, that's good. Number 2, when do you have free time? On when, right? Okay, so 3, question, what do you do in your free time? I watch, I ride my bike, I watch movies, I play sport, I read books, I play games online, or whatever. Okay, that's very good. Okay, the conclusion of this video is I have already presented about link and review, which is from our unit 4 and unit 5. Okay, so it is about the verb be in a simple present and the simple past. And one more unit is about unit 5, the simple present. Okay, if you have any question or you feel like you don't understand about any parts or any points in our lesson, so you can feel free to ask your teachers. Okay, goodbye everyone, see you tomorrow.